Michael, show us your jar. Show Ilse your jar. That's it. We have Izzy and Lily. Well done. So can we open our jars? Okay, and what do we have inside?
We have home activity ideas. Yeah.
Tell Ilse over there.
We have home activity ideas.
So what it's for? What
Basically, when you're bored, you can just pick one out. Yeah, you just pick one out.
Excellent. Michael, do you want to pick one and read it? Okay, I'll hold that for you. Yeah. So,
go to the park and ride on my skateboard.
Do you want to tell anything there?
Go to the park and ride on my skateboard.
Well done. And fix one. You can put it back in, Michael.
Do Transform Kids homework or anything?
Yes! Well done. And fix one, Lily?
Make paper airplanes.
Make paper airplanes. Well done. Good job.